direction to Paris. The wind is extremely heavy, and I am very tired. I'm falling asleep, feeling really knackered now. I left about 2 a.m. in the morning, all the way down to, I'm going all the way down to about 2 hours off Paris to a hotel. Sleep there and continue the next day. But yeah, I feel tired. So yeah, wind is very, very, very strong in this area. I hardly can put my hands out. Not much to see really. Not much to see. Only nature and not much. And well, let's keep going until about 10 a.m. So I will have some dinner at 10 a.m. in about an hour. 113 miles approximately. I have 292 miles to go to the hotel. I should be there about 13:35. I probably are going to be there about 3 p.m. That'll be ideally. 3 p.m. is good. I have plenty of time to do many things. And tomorrow wake up early and carry on. Keep going to the other places. Alright?